Aya basi mabo fife mungeri nanone crush w'abasheri banyu aya
Next.
ukurikiyeho naze urebe twaje kugaragaza impano do aba judge.
Hello.
Bite byawe? Hi urebe
Ebenezer.
nitwa Ebenezer.
Ube
witwa Ube.
I saw what you did there. You are quite funny.
He wapi ushobora kuba mwabyumvishe nabi.
I'm Ebenezer the reader.
Ebenezer usoma.
Fastest reader in the world.
Ninjye muntu wa mbere ku isi usoma nihuse.
How did you?
Umaze gusoma page zingana iki?
I read 1,607.
Ubundi page 1679 nzisoma
2 seconds.
amasegonda abiri gusa.
You did
Ba judge byose bishoboka bite?
Wow, yeah.
I finished.
Urebe
It will shock you to know that I finished.
oya ngiye izo page narazirangije biraza kubatungura nimuze kubona ngiye nsomye page sanga 1679
In 2
mu
seconds.
masegonda abiri gusa.
Yes, 2 seconds.
Cyane rwose amasegonda
2
abiri.
seconds.
Yes.
Amasegonda abiri
That's
gusa.
why I crown myself the fastest reader in
Erega
the
niyo
world.
mpamvu banyita umuntu wa mbere uzi gusoma ku isi.
According to Google
Tugendeye kuri Google
Guinness World Record, the fastest reader.
ubundi Google itubwira ko umuntu wa mbere uzi gusoma yasomye page 3 mu munota umwe.
And to see this, I mean,
bivuze ngo nimba tubonye umuntu usoma gutya Google iraza guhindura ibyo yanditse.
Yeah, they need to. They've not met me.
Cyane rwose uyu mwanya n'uwanjye mureke ngiye mbereke tara yanjye mbereke ukuntu nsoma vuba vuba.
It's based on the passion.
cyane ko bino bintu mbikora mbikunze.
For passion.
Yes.
Bino bintu bikora bikunze cyane.
And do you know what 2 seconds is?
Ese musore amasegonda abiri uzi icyo ari cyo?
That's
Abari
one.
rimwe kabiri.
Yeah.
Ibyo ndabizi.
And you read what?
Arya ngo usoma page zingahe?
1,000.
Ngiye ubundi nsoma page 1679.
1,000.
Page igihumbi.
Let's cut to the chase.
Okay twagiye.
How many pages would you be reading here today?
Hanyuma si uyu munsi uradusomera page zingahe?
Okay, I have this book. It's success.
Okay reba nka kano gatabo mfite hano kakozwe n'aba content creators benshi bakatandukanye ndagasoma nkaho tuvugiye. Iki kigo gikiri kutubeshya kabisa.
I'm gonna read
So,
everything.
do you have
Then
a copy of the book?
Zana igitabo kimeze nk'icyo ngicyo ufite ujye usoma natwe tureba ko utatubeshya.
Have a copy of the book.
Zana igitabo kimeze nk'icyo ngicyo.
it's very good for content creators. I think you should read it when you get home.
Oya bino ni iby'aba content creators mwebwe ahubwo muraza kubisoma mugeze mu rugo.
Don't read with me. You can't read with me because I'm fast.
Reka nyibahe muze kugisomera mu rugo kuko ngiye ndihuse ntabwo mwamfata mu gusoma rwose.
We'll catch up.
Asi uyu mukaritasi ntatubeshya we.
All right.
Shall we?
Dutangire.
What?
Your time.
Nicyo gihe.
Hold on. Let me.
buretse mfungura igitabo dutangirane.
So you read.
Bivuze ngo kino gitabo ugiye kugisoma muri amasegonda abiri watubwiye.
Seconds you
You
said.
said a twinkle of an eye.
Oya nako watubwiye ko ari mu mwanya nk'uwo guhumbya.
So now, within one.
Okay noneho mu isegonda rimwe bino bitabo byose ndaba mbirangije.
All these books.
Yeah.
Ibyo bitabo byose cyane.
I'm
Already.
watching.
Katurori. Na.
Go on.
Twagiye. Igitabo kimwe arakirangije. Icya kabiri. Urebe. Tayari.
What is it?
Ibyo ni ibiki?
It was fast, so you didn't know.
Ibi ni ibyo bita gusoma wihuta ntago wabimenya.
What?
Aba judge byabacaza.
Talk to us. What did you do?
Tuvugishe mwana. Ibi ni ibiki?
It's because I'm fast.
Ngewe ariko nababwiye ko nihuse.
You are fast. That what?
None se mwana urihuse ku buryo wasoma ibyo bitabo byose bikarangira nta kintu umuntu akuyemo.
Put in front of my page. Okay, so
Gikuriye amakimbirane hagati y'abajaji.
a successful content or skit creator guide.
Okay reka tuvuge ko wadusize mu gusoma. Ngaho basi dusobanura kino gitabo ni bwoko.
That's
Are you
the book.
stupid? What do you want to do?
Dukorera agasamari gato.
What did you learn from the book that you just read?
Ibyo bintu byose wasomye twakwigiramo iki?
So, what do you do?
Umva samari.
You said what?
Uvuze?
The first one is pretty good.
Nabyo
Is
birihuse.
what?
Pretty. So what does pretty mean? 'Cause
Is
it
there
doesn't
anything
look-
like spray?
Dore nuko nguko amakimbirane atangira.
does not sound like this. So
Iri jambo mboye ryanditsemo hano risobanura
Let
iki?
me see.
Reka nze ndeba ko nako hari ahantu nakanditse.
I will. So, yeah.
Don't touch it.
Izo mpapuro zawe ndazihaga.
You your meat. Are you crazy?
Uru runtu si urusazi.
I had to joke with you.
Ufite ikihe kibazo wogahamba we?
Summarize.
What does
kora samari y'icyo gitabo cyawe. Undi n'abatuje arabitegereza.
I was fast.
Erega buri gihe mba nihuta n'ubundi niyo nakora samari nta kintu mwakuramo.
Read, you don't assimilate, you don't understand.
Wenda gusoma wihuta byo nibyo ariko nyine dukorera samari.
How can you be reading what is not going in? You are just.
Jewe ubundi sinumva ukuntu umuntu yasoma ibintu bitajya mu mutwe.
Yes. What kind of talent is this?
Ngaho nawe mbwira ubu iyi ni tarabwoko ki koko tubwiye.
Judge yourself.
Umwanya ni uwawe ngaho tubwire iyi ni tarabwoko ki ihamano.
Somebody have done. I saw somebody do it on the internet, and I say, okay, this thing is be nice.
Kibasubiza ibitajyanye.
For me
I
to
feel you and that person is.
Ngewe rero ikintu maje kubona uru rugoryi ruraho. Uyu arahaguruka.
Because there's no way you will carry a book and do free vigil.
Jesse numva ukuntu waza witwaje ibitabo kugeza ngo firi nta n'ikintu umuntu yakubaza ngo ukuremo.
Okay, for any reason. Yes. So you can.
Umujaji avayo. Varo gahamba we. Umukaritasi yaraje acanga abajaji.
Referee, sorry. No.
Rofuri oya nako. Ukurikiye nazi.
subscribe, hit the subscribe button, like, and share this video so that your friends and family can laugh.
Cheki video yagushimishije ku like, following, unasharing inshuti zawe nazo ziseke. Uyu ni Mungeri nanone, crush w'abasheri banyu.